One of the common frustrations on Google Analytics is you jump into the dashboard, you look at the traffic graph, it seems to be going in the right direction, but then you look at the conversion data and it just doesn't marry up. Now in the past there was a ton of keyword information that we could take from analytics that might give us a clue as to why that might be the case, why the quality of traffic would seem to be declining. Now most of that keyword data is no longer available. Some of it's available within Search Console, but it's just not the same. And consequently we can waste a huge amount of time trying to get to the bottom of why this quality in traffic is declining. Now what I'd encourage you to do, and it's going to take 10-15 minutes to set up, you can Google how to do it, but it's going to save you a ton of time in the long term, is to create a segment, a traffic segment, that only includes the traffic to the key landing pages on the website. So if this is a service business, then it's going to be basically the individual service pages, and you may or may not include the home page. Typically I wouldn't, because the vast array of user intents when people land on a home page are such that the conversion rate doesn't tend to be very high anyway. But it's entirely up to you. If it's a product-based business, you're going to obviously include the product pages, category pages, and again, maybe or maybe not the home page. So once you've done this, what you're going to find is that the quantity of traffic to these pages is just a fraction of the overall traffic to the website, but the value is really significant. So for example, if you're a service business and the value of a customer is £1,000 and your conversion rate on average on those landing pages is 5%, but then the conversion rate from inquiry to customer, when you get that inquiry, is 20%, well then that would mean that the value of each visitor to those pages is £10. That may not sound like a lot, but that's £10 for every visit on every landing page throughout the day. That's really, really significant. That's important commercial insight you need about your website. So as I say, it'll take a bit of time to set up, but it's going to save you a ton of time in the long term, and it's going to enable you to have a far better grasp of that true commercial performance of your website. See you next time.